Day 1, waiting for my package to come. Day 2, for waiting to my package to come. Third day of waiting to my package to come. Day 4, for waiting to my package to come. So, it's come. So, let's unbox it. Wait lang. So, here it says, I grabbed some scissors. Okay, let's unbox it. Hopefully, I didn't not damage inside. We go on a trip. Oh, this is it. So, let's open it. And I'm gonna make a keychain. Bro, did I get scammed? This is the beads, or I don't know what it is. This is the, I don't know. What is this? What is even this? This is a clip. What the fuck? What the fuck? What is? They got me this, bro. Even though, so I'm gonna make a keychain because I'm gonna sell it for money because I'm saving up for roller skates. So you cannot buy this for me because it's from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. So great with me. Bye bye. See you part 2.